Interesting fact on the Marshall Islands has a rich cultural heritage rooted in Micronesian traditions. Marshallese culture is known for its intricate navigation skills, traditional sailing canoes, and oral traditions passed down through generations. Stick charts, intricate weavings, and traditional dances, such as the Yakyet and Kakamwaj, are integral to Marshallese culture. The annual Canoes of the Marshall Islands Festival celebrates the art of traditional canoe building and navigation, providing an opportunity for locals and visitors to witness and appreciate this unique cultural heritage.